Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, we're still in the month of October, and we still have a lot of little creative monster characters to do. Well, if you saw my video yesterday, you kind of heard me say I'm going to be doing a close-up shot of Frankenstein's head, and it's going to be a lot of detail. This is not the one. This is a middle ground one, a little easy, not that hard. But the one that I'm currently working on is taking several steps and it's taking a little bit more time. So be surprised over the weekend or as early as Monday. Anyways, so what can you learn from this? Well, very simple. It's a headshot and you can see the basic shapes when you're developing from step 1 all the way to step 3. Take a look at all the different elements and the shapes when building it up and just get used to sketching and enjoy just doing art and all in all. Anyways, well, let's start this lesson. So if you have your Frankenstein paper and Frankenstein pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.